Hermione Granger, the brilliant witch who defied expectations. In the hallowed halls of Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry, where magic wove through the air and ancient secrets whispered through stone corridors, one witch's journey stood out among the rest, Hermione Granger. Her story was a tapestry of intellect, courage, and unwavering loyalty, painting a portrait of a young witch who defied expectations and left an indelible mark on the wizarding world. From the moment Hermione stepped onto the Hogwarts Express, her passion for knowledge was evident. Muggle-born and armed with a thirst for learning, she quickly became a standout student in every class. The library, with its towering shelves and dusty tomes, became her second home, a sanctuary where she devoured magical texts with voracious curiosity. Her intellect, however, was not just confined to books. Hermione's magical prowess was exceptional, earning her a spot in Gryffindor House, where bravery and daring were celebrated. Her journey alongside Harry Potter and Ron Weasley, the famous trio, began in their first year when they faced the challenges of the Philosopher's Stone. As the trio navigated through enchanted corridors and faced magical creatures, Hermione emerged as the voice of reason, a steady force in the face of adversity. Her quick thinking and mastery of spells often saved her friends from peril, showcasing a bravery that rivaled even the most seasoned wizards. Hermione's commitment to justice and equality was evident in her advocacy for house elf rights. While others dismissed the plight of these magical creatures, she founded SPEW, Society for the Promotion of Elfish Welfare, a testament to her unwavering principles and sense of fairness. Her third year brought the enigma of the Time Turner, a device that allowed her to manipulate time for her studies. Yet, her brilliance was not just academic, it was a reflection of her ability to face challenges head-on, armed with a combination of knowledge and courage. The Triwizard Tournament in her fourth year showcased Hermione's resilience. Faced with the dangerous tasks, she provided invaluable support to Harry and Ron, often outsmarting magical creatures and unraveling mysteries with her keen intellect. Her unwavering loyalty to her friends underscored the depth of her character. In her fifth year, as darkness loomed over the wizarding world, Hermione became a pivotal figure in Dumbledore's army, a secret student group resisting the tyranny of Dolores Umbridge and the oppressive Ministry of Magic. Her dedication to the cause showcased not only her magical prowess but also her commitment to fighting injustice. The discovery of the Horcruxes in their sixth year marked a turning point. Hermione's encyclopedic knowledge of magical lore became instrumental in their quest to defeat Lord Voldemort. Her perseverance, even when faced with the darkest aspects of magic, illustrated the strength of her character. The Battle of Hogwarts, a harrowing culmination of years of struggle, showcased Hermione's courage on an epic scale. As the trio faced the final confrontation with Voldemort, her magical prowess and quick thinking played a crucial role in their victory. The once bookish Muggleborn had evolved into a formidable witch whose impact resonated far beyond the castle walls. After Hogwarts, Hermione pursued a career in magical lore, working to reform the wizarding world from within the Ministry of Magic. Her intelligence and dedication to justice made her a force for positive change, further solidifying her legacy. Hermione Granger's story is more than that of a brilliant witch, it is a testament to the power of knowledge, courage, and unwavering friendship. Her journey from a young Muggle-born witch to a key figure in the fight against darkness inspires generations of witches and wizards to embrace their brilliance and stand up for what is right, regardless of the challenges that may come their way. The end. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Teddy's Best Story Time. See you next time.